What's up?
Buddy.
What up?
It was cold, but it was fun.
Yeah.
So, you're just gonna like drive out and then turn a little bit so you get that perfect. There's like the kind of the fogginess in the horizon.
Yeah, that whole view.
Sorry. I'll come back to you. Took a little nap.
Wow. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful view. Yeah. Hey, my water unfroze. With the. Oh Jesus Christ! Yep. That one. All right, let's see how this looks. Yeah, the fact that the fact that there's one at all. Yay! You almost fall? If you fall into a tree well, you're kind of screwed. Oh, you came behind me. I spy with my little eye something that is white. No, it's you. Oh! 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 Yeehaw. Oh, I'm good. I just stopped for a second. Yeah. Just to take a look at the surrounding mountains behind us. Because that's a nice view.
That's fucking gorgeous.
Yeah.
And it's like people that try to do the barrel, but I was getting caught in
Yeah, yeah,
Like, humans may be like the worst across most categories, right?
yeah.
But like, of the non-swimmers, they're like the best swimmer.
Really?
The non-climbers are the best climbers, and of like the non-land-based animals are the best swimmers. But they're the best all around.
Yeah.
Except for, I think, I'm in my soft feeling, like, except for maybe leopards. Because they can climb better, they can probably swim better, and they can run fast. So avoid leopards.
So, okay, so the whole, that's actually on the final exam. There we go.
You go.
Okay, go for it. Okay, I'm going in beside you.
Wow, that is tiring. Still filming?
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
It's just pure video.
Oh.
For lunch, guess who forgot fuel? And guess who's allergic to Mooney's lunch? So I can't have any.
I brought an apple.
I brought a Gatorade.
And a snack pack. I mean, important part, what did we learn?
Don't forget your fuel to make your lunch,
No.
or just make your lunch the night before.
Mooney's the greatest. That was the lesson learned. Alright, so basically,
I had Oreos in my bag in the car.
I brought... I brought a... Yeah, guess what? Cookie.
Oh, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
They're fucking delicious. Mama Mooney's secret. Okay. Okay. You want an apple?
I'll take the apple.
I even washed it already. That's what prepared.
Oh, you are so nice.
Right? And I got your poison. Cliff bar.
Oh, thank you. Boom.
Fiber 1.
This is good. This is good.
Fiber 2.
So tell me right now, what? Go off. How do you like this hike, Sawmill?
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
In terms of snowshoeing, I'd give it a 2 out of 2. A what? 1 out of 2. That is to say, it's good, and the only other time I've snowshoed was maybe slightly better, just because the view was slightly better.
No.
The other one had more
Our view-
lakes. And less apple drops.
Our view is like the view is nice.
Primo.
But yeah, I know what you mean.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, that's all I got.
No
8 minutes.
clever ending lines.
Nope. 8 minutes of me eating.